I'm currently meal prepping. It is 11:59 and my phone is at 2%. Let's plug it in. I was gonna do this earlier in the day, but I took a nap. I already made lunch for tomorrow. I boiled 6 eggs because I like them for breakfast. I made a bomb-looking salad for lunch tomorrow. Our onions were going bad, so I sauteed onions, peppers, and mushrooms. And I made this. And now, in that same pan, just still dirty and slightly greasy, I'm going to make a bunch of eggs and make a bunch of breakfast burritos. I kind of want an orange.
Warm down.
Water is so good. These are our eggs. Also, Grayson's playing
Fortnite.
So that's the noise going on. You're so cute. Can I tell them the dream you had last night?
What dream? No.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell him. I tell Grayson he's cute
Uh-uh.
probably like 10 times a day. So he had a dream that he was the hottest person in the whole world and he was famous for it. Of course, I was like, well, duh. I should probably start cooking. Anyways, so he has this dream. And he was like, he thought it was super weird, but I was like, it's not weird, you're really cute. So that's the dream, basically. I forgot the rest.
Crack these suckers in here.
Rat.
I think I'm gonna make
Oh gosh, she's right here on me. The heck?
2 breakfast burritos.
Right
It
here.
isn't really meal prep, actually. It's kind of just prep. We got these. They're different
I
and
gotta
they're
come over there.
huge.
Ways away.
What I put in our eggs, salt, obviously,
This guy up here?
and pepper, and Tajin, this stuff.
Oh, hey.
Just for a little space. Now that that's all mixed in, we'll just put it in there. Aluminum foil. Ta-da! That's it.
You want her to get?
Look how bendy they are. These will be way easier to fold. 2 of those out.
Oh, it's about 100 and...
So tired. Actually, I don't feel that tired because I took a nap and that's why I'm gonna be up all night. And I have a long day of work tomorrow.
Love that for me.
Okay, these eggs are almost done. We like
Check here, Nate.
our
Or check here.
Anyways, so here's what you're gonna do. And then I just divide this in half.
Oh man, there's a full
Mine's
pot
gonna
right
be
here
the
for you.
smaller
Back
one.
of this red truck right here. Come take this. And there's a purple suppressed
Oh
one.
my gosh. Okay, Grayson doesn't like mushrooms, so I'm gonna pick all the mushrooms out and put them in mine. I love them.
I lasered him. Oh hey, right here.
Grayson with no mushrooms. And then mine with all the mushrooms. Oh shoot, I might have made too much.
I just got. Oh hey, it's a
Put
John
mine in
Wick.
first.
Yeah, I'm good.
And get the cheese out. Okay, while that attempts to melt, we wrap this. Ta-da! Oh my word, you did not see that, but that was such a good wrap. And that's a burrito
Yeah.
for me. Oh, I have to write R on it so that I know it's mine.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah, that's good. So I'm on YouTube and I find, you know, YouTube Premium where you have to pay money. It's like Netflix but on YouTube. I don't know. It's weird. There's this show called Impulse. I'm not even joking. It's pretty intense. So I've just blah, 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 blah.
It's a terrible show.
No, it's not.
I'm just kidding.
It has some language, but it's super interesting, I think.
It's
It's about this girl who has seizures, and then like
all-
every time she has a seizure and she's afraid, she like teleports somewhere. I don't know, but I like it a little bit. Oh my word, this is such a thick burrito. Burrito's thicker than your mom. Burritos.
I got 60 shields. Forgot that
Then
you eat this thing.
stick those in the fridge. Okay, that's it. Meal prep is over. And yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. Don't forget the thumbnail.
Oh, what the heck?
What the heck? Take my portion. Who am I? Omni, 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 omni.
Renee.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, I'm lasering them, dude.
I'm lasering them, dude. They're
Here.
dumb.
What?
What?